In this video, we'll show you how to export a door validation list from your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Reports and then Bookings. By default, this will show the latest event that you have bookings for. If you need to change this, click on Event, then select the year and finally the name of your event. The report can be further manipulated to show only certain products shown in the product type drop-down list. Then click on Export Door Validation List from the Manage menu, and a modal window will appear which will show you all available columns. Uncheck any columns that you do not wish to be exported. Click on the Export button to export your door validation list to PDF, which can then be used at your event. And that's it, you have now successfully exported a door validation list. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.